Welcome to Overflow Studios. It's your girl Sin back with another video, and if you want to know what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad, today I'm going to be unboxing a package. I actually had a company that contacted me about reviewing one of their products. So right here I'm going to open this up right here and let you guys check it out. I'm gonna go ahead, use this blade. Open it up. It's taped up pretty good or something. My blade ain't cutting or something. Alright. Alright. Whoa. Alright. So right here. Okay. So right here we have squeegees. Right here. Two squeegees. They're the same thing. I'm gonna just slide it to the side. And I did not know that it was not coming with the blade. So if I had the blade, I would go ahead and use it today. Okay. But I don't have any extra blades. I usually just buy regular squeegees, like those cheap wooden ones. But this I know is gonna be a whole lot better. Yeah. But I can't really show you much because it don't have a blade in it and I don't have any like extra blades. So I guess I'm gonna have to order some blades, and whenever I can get a chance to get them in stock, then I can do a proper review. Let me see. So basically, I'm gonna just go over the card with you. Right here, this is with this squeegee, you can either push or pull. That's, you know, with all squeegees, you can either push or pull. You can flood it. It's got like the one-handed flood handle right here. Or let me show you on here, right here, the one-handed flood handle. So you can, you know, you can flood it. And you only have to use one hand. Let me see. It says quick blade change, no screws. And that's kind of convenient. If you don't have to unscrew it, you can just pop the blade in here. But I don't have any blades, so I'm sorry. I'm not going to get to, I thought I was going to do an unboxing and a review of this job that I got set up that I was getting ready to print. But maybe I can do it next time. But yeah, basically, I think it's a nice squeegee. It's, you know, it's pretty heavy duty, pretty hard plastic. One thing about plastic is it's going to be a lot easier to clean than that wood. Like with that wood, sometimes it gets stained and you can't get stuff off. But I know with this plastic, you will be able to clean everything off, so you don't have to worry about touching it and getting ink on your hand after you've already cleaned the squeegees and stuff and you're starting a new job. Some of the things I can say about it, it's got these little stands on it. If y'all remember a while back when I first got my Anatol press, before I really learned how to use it and work with it the way that I can now, something like this would have came in handy, because I was having to like put the squeegee down like at the end of the screen, and it kept falling and making messes. And one time even got on a shirt. But like with a squeegee like this, you know, you wouldn't have to worry about something like that, because it's got its own stand, and I could have just put it at the top of the thing and hung it on the, like, use this part and put it at the edge of the screen. But I think it's pretty nice. It's a yellow color, which I like. Y'all know my colors, my brand colors are red, yellow, and green. And hey, I didn't even plan this, but it does match my shirt. And I appreciate it, Run over at EZGrip Squeegee, for sending this to me. And as soon as I can get some blades in here, I will do a review. And I'm sorry, I usually just buy the cheap squeegees and I don't have the blades in stock, but I will, as soon as I get a chance, do it. Let me see. Let me put my glasses on. Let me read what this little writing on here says. It says, okay, yeah, the arrow should face the operator. That's real handy that it got on there, because when you get something like this, you may, I was just holding it the wrong way earlier. And Ron did send me some videos and stuff, and I did watch the videos, but I don't have the, you know, the blade, so I'm gonna have to hold up on the you know, on the video, but yeah, so the little sharp pointy things are away from you. That's a good way to help, because you know when you have pointy things pointed at you, you can get your eye or something poked out. Not that you would do that with a squeegee. Bad example, but that's a good way to remember it. So I'm just trying to see. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, I think it's a from what I see of it now, I think it's a nice squeegee. I like the color. I'm just you know, whenever I get a chance, I will do a review on it. But this was the unboxing for the EZGrip squeegee, and I'll leave a link for the website down below in case you guys are interested. And also, I did want to let you guys know about my classes. If you're wanting to learn screen printing, I am offering classes. You can go to my website, IamPrintSquad.com, for more information. With the class, you will be learning the full process of screen printing. Even if you do not know anything about screen printing, if you've never screen printed before, this class can help you learn to screen print, and also I can give you assistance with the equipment to purchase and stuff like that, letting you know everything that you need. And also I will be it's a 2-day class now. It's a 2-day class, and it's for a better price than a lot of these companies are offering. And it's right here at my studio, Overflow Studios, right here. Learn how to screen print with your girl, TshirtChick. And I also got literature for you to take with you for reference and stuff like that. And you will have my contact information. And I appreciate you guys watching. So be sure, if you're interested in the classes, go to my website, IamPrintSquad.com. Also, if you want to get the merch, the fresh merch, you can go to TshirtChickTV.com. And I will see you guys in another video. Be blessed.